Limited market price fluctuation, poor quality coffee, exploitation by middlemen, and lack of appropriate knowledge to add value to coffee for export are the major challenges that have led to low profitability of coffee to farmers, insufficient capital, and inefficiencies in coffee handling.
Koraje kwenka tuine mu challenges tinkabura kuzigamba kujana chairman agenda ari kuzimanya aba district ni bazimanya mazima tuine challenge emwe.
I cannot forget to mention some of the challenges we face as a SACCO. One being the fact that we lack permanent structures to operate in. Secondly, another challenge we have is lack of capital. We need at least 200 million for our SACCO.
The district production officer is appreciative of this initiative that is intertwined with the PDM and hopes that they will get better pay and there will be economic growth after the factory is fully utilized and coffee is commercialized.
Obirunotwara mwani ahabindi ezindi za factory ochisaho mwani ashanga kubonira kwanangwa sete nyingi oshemererwa.
What affects us is only one thing. People are mixing our coffee with other brands. We take it to the factory and we are given money, but in reality, they benefit or get profit by mixing the coffee. Therefore, this factory will be of great importance to us as farmers who want fairness.
We are going to improve farmers' coffee quality and volumes because the coming up of this modern facility, this coffee processing plant is going to improve farmers' incomes because it is going to be grading and sorting farmers' coffee, and that is part of quality control, quality improvement. And in that regard, the farmers are going to enjoy better prices, and it is even a government strategy of improving households' income. The moment household income is improved, then government objectives and intentions are achieved. Even this partnership development model, government is interested in improving household income, especially among its subsistence farmers. And most of these farmers who grow coffee are moving from subsistence to commercial. And coffee is one of the leading cash crop in Kanungu. So by improving its quality and processing processes, then we're able to get better prices for farmers and improve household income and welfare of farmers. This is a milestone for Kanungu district in terms of coffee.
Consolata Tumwesije, the CEO of Omukazi Womutima project, says it was started 8 years ago to target the empowerment of women and youth to ensure women start being financially productive and supportive to their families. She adds that though they started with heifers and biogas, now they put coffee growing at the forefront, with now 12,000 households and 50,000 youth under this project in Kanungu district alone.
We have about 55,000 households, but now Omukazi Womutima supports 12,000 households with the coffee. Omukazi Womutima model is a model which targets a woman as a change agent in the household and youth as village agents. So when we are producing coffee, we produce coffee with the women and their household, of course husband and children. And when we are targeting a household, we support a woman to know how best to grow coffee, agronomy, how to plant coffee, how to take care of it, and when it grows and it yields, then how to pick the coffee seeds and how to dry them. So that is what we train women.
Nelson Tugume, chairperson of SISU, says the plant will initially cost 1.5 billion in the first phase, though by the time of completion in January next year, it will have consumed over 4.5 billion. Finally, the groundbreaking of the factory has been done by SISU board members, district administrators, and coffee farmers in the area.
What the coffee investment consortium members that you've been seeing, his big investment over $1 million really qualifies for him to receive more support, because we know this support will really come to a fertile ground.
Rona Nahawe compiled this story.